Hello traders, the title of the video is Fibonacci Extension Trader explains his McDonald's stocks Fibonacci strategy. Alright, so previously I have recorded a video that we titled Market Geometry Trader looks back at his Boeing stock analysis. Alright, when we were talking about market geometry, analyzing Boeing stock. In this tutorial, we're going to use a Fibonacci extension, okay, to analyze McDonald's stock. The stock that I'm choosing are market leaders, okay, for the Dow Jones Index. Personally, I love to trade the Dow Jones Index. It's a very friendly, okay, stock index that the professional trading, if you get it right, okay, you go very fast, all right? If you are wrong, you also know quickly, all right? So, for traders that are wondering what are the market leaders, or you want to know more about the market leaders, all right, go to www.dayprotrader.com. This is it, www.dayprotrader.com. Beautiful website now. I have done a bit of work. How do you find it? Let me know in the comment section. We clean it up a bit. So in January to mid-February, I'll be working on it, removing all the bad links, cleaning it up, adding more additional information here. So you come here, www.dayprotrader.com, click on Market Watch, all right, and read everything here. There are 5 market leaders for the Dow Jones Index. Okay, IBM, McDonald's, Caterpillar, ExxonMobil, and Boeing. For the Nasdaq 100, Google and Apple stock. A lot of stock traders, indices traders are trading indices and stock, and they don't know how to use the market leaders, how they influence the market. So just try to familiarize yourself by going to that place. I also talk about the critical price level that we calculate, okay, on the yearly chart here. So check it out at dayprotraders.com. All right. Going back to our recording, so this is McDonald's. As I told you already, it's a market leader for the Dow Jones Index. So people are wondering, where is the market going? The first step to find out where the market, talking about the S&P 500 and also about the Dow Jones Index, where the market is likely to go, is to check the market leaders. Measure the temperature. Is the temperature going now into red or into the green? All right. So what I've done, I apply Fibonacci extension from the price move somewhere far away in the past, 1984. That's all the data that I got here. So I'm just applying it to that session, to the top here. I'm on the quarterly chart, by the way. Today I'm on the quarterly chart. Remember, I'm on the quarterly chart. If you do not have the quarterly chart, go to the monthly chart. But today, I want to use the quarterly chart of today. So somewhere 1984 on the monthly chart, you see like this, and then pull back. Apply Fibonacci extension from the starting point here. I'm using TC2000, not Trading View. All right, I'll come back to Trading View because when I'm trading American indices, I'll prefer to use my TC2000. All right. Going back again to my quarterly chart. Are we going to use quarterly chart in 2019? Maybe. So you apply Fibonacci extension, and I want you to pay attention to few things here. Some traders may say, George, I know everything about Fibonacci extension. But each video, all right, there is a message. That's why we want you to watch the full length of this tutorial. There is a message. All right. So where are we now? Talking about Fibonacci extension. So look at the chart, apply Fibonacci extension. We are now at 314. There's a 314 here. Where are we now? Where are the levels, the Fibonacci extension level that we must watch? You see? So it's not sufficient to just place Fibonacci extension on the chart. It's about how to use it. Did you notice that McDonald's stock breaks above the 314% Fibonacci extension level? You see how they push it here? You see here? So they push it from 261.8% level directly into 314% level. Why? Why this candlestick bar is so strong? Yeah. because the 261.8% Fibonacci extension level is a breakout Fibonacci key level. So as the price breaks above it, the breakout traders know that, professional breakout traders know that. There was a bullish trading center here, they push it to the next Fibonacci extension level. If found a support, they push it again to the next level. What is the next level after the 314? 361.8% level. Are you getting it now? So here, look at this one. 161.8% level. I'm going to move that orange line to... My screen is frozen or what? Well, this is not the moment to have that. Okay, here it is. So 161.8% level. Another breakout Fibonacci breakout zone. Look, the price, you see how he ran fast? So you see, he ran from 161.8% level to where? 214. Here, he ran for what? He ran from 261 to where? 314. Is it just by chance? No. Professional playing games. All right. 261, 314. All right. 161, 214. Stop there for a while. You see, find a resistance. Consolidate here for a while. Then they push it again. Look again. Next level, 261. Stop again. He acknowledged that level. So, talking about Fibonacci extension trader, explain his McDonald's stock Fibonacci strategy. What do we need to tell traders now? All right, that's a very good question. Did you ask that question? If you did, you are unbelievable. So what I'm going to do, bear with me please, traders. All right. Okay. Going to put on my chart now. Changing the setting of my Fibonacci is, I'm going to put on my chart 3, 6, 1. All right. What's the one? Come on. 3, 6, 1. 0.8% Fibonacci extension level. I will put it in fact, set it as a default. Bam. Can you see 361? Here it is. 361. Did you see that? Huh? I'll color it into red so you can see on my chart. Do you understand what is happening now? Do you understand what's happening now? So we are now at 361. This is another breakout zone. So the price acknowledges first time it touches there. Look at this one. You look at that. So from when it comes to 261, look at this. 261, look at that. 261, 261. It came to it, acknowledge it, pull back before one candlestick bar close above it. Look at this one again. This one goes to 361, acknowledges, pull back. Now it closes above it as it was before at 261. It acknowledges, pull back, closes above it. So what should we say to traders here? Talking about Fibonacci extension trading, now that you understand the levels and the role or the mission of each Fibonacci key levels. That can see bar. Oh, beyond the quarterly chart is closed on the quarterly chart. Here it is. So we'll say to trade priority to bullish signal above the level of 17319, which is corresponding at 361.8% Fibonacci extension level. All right, of that move from here, 1984, to the top here in 2000. Do you see now? So that red line is a very important key level. The next thing that a trader should do at this junction, talking about practical trading, note it down, highlight the high of that quarterly tendency bar, and also do me a favor, highlight the low of that tendency bar there. That's the high there, that's the low there. And then apply Fibonacci retracement to the range of that quarterly tendency bar and draw a line through the 50% Fibonacci retracement level. That line, without too much long story, The 50% of the range of that candlestick bar is just there. I need to keep my eyes wide open. Is that correct? Am I doing something there? That's it. That's the 50% level. Just a little bit above the 314% Fibonacci color into green. There's the green line there. That's it. That's what I want you to do now. So, prior to bullish signal above the 361.8% Fibonacci extension level. That level is the 17319. Prior to bullish signal above, all right. But also draw the high and the low of that, quarterly candlestick bar and highlight the median line. You see that the green line. So the key levels that you must watch, the red one first and the green one. You are looking for trading setup. You will draw trend lines. And you may draw also pitchfork too, like now on this quarterly chart. Nothing can stop me to place on this chart. Choose this point here. I think that will be good, isn't it? Or we go all the way here. So we go all the way here to this low here. That will be my first point for my pitchfork tool. And then I can, I'll use this one here. Oh. Okay, I'm having, okay. I prefer to put it like this, okay? Play with your pitchfork tool and see what is working for you. All right. Saturday say, Joe, you should have done that before. You see here? So choosing this point here and the high there and the low here. All right. Somebody may put it like this. Just play with it. Put it in a different position. You prefer this one? Okay. Let's put it to the top and lower like this. That's it. All right. So we are now on the edge of that pitchfork tool. So all we are doing, apart from the key level, the median line of that range of that quarterly candlestick bar is at a 176, the 62 above the 361.8% level. And then we have all those lines on our chart. And then, for instance, if you go, I think you see on the, this is the daily chart, all right? Because I'm going, you see here, so on the daily chart, it break below that pitchfork tool is now retesting it there. All right, we need find a resistance and come back down. But remember what I said to you, priority to bullish signal above 173.19. Okay, median line of that quarterly candlestick bar is there. On the daily chart, there is a resistance there. So the prime may lie to retest that resistance first. So we are not assuming anything. The question is there a trading setup? Did you see one? If you see one, good. Then wait for the signal and then implement a different time frame trading method. That's it. You are not guessing it. Was there a trading setup? Keep drawing line. That's how you're going to find them. See? What? That's it. So you see the power of the Fibonacci extension. So that will help you to understand what those that are trading this stock, talking about McDonald's stock, are doing. What is going through their mind, you will find out very quickly, okay, when you start using the Fibonacci extension, okay, like the pros, all right? So, what's the message here, all right? The McDonald's stock is bullish, is going up, okay? So as it's going up, it's looking for a better resistance level, all right? So probably going from one resistance level to the next resistance level. If the bullish momentum is intact, is solid, okay, the price will continue to break resistance level. Now for us, Fibonacci extension traders, we know there are zones where we should position ourselves if we want to catch the breakouts. What are those levels? 161.8%, 261.8%, and the next one, 361.8% level. Not many stock go beyond the 361.8% level. Most stock will struggle to go beyond the 361.8% level because the financial instrument has been going up for some time. For area weight traders, I'll be coming back to this top because we are coming almost to the end of, you see, we put a level here, okay? That high of that candlestick bar was the target for the third wave of a higher degree. I still got my drawing on my chart, you see the trade here. So we are expecting a fourth wave down. Our expectation was that it would come down like this before coming here, but it just went straight there, all right? And now we're expecting a fourth wave of a higher degree. Now, as a Fibonacci trader, you do not want to ignore which level? The 361.8% Fibonacci extension level of McDonald's at 17319. Priority to bullish signal above and priority to bearish signal below. Practically speaking, as a Fibonacci trader, highlight the high of the last quarter and the low of the last quarter and the median line. The median line is at a 17662. You are looking for trading setup in the vicinity of one of those key levels. So somebody that is position trading will go quarterly chart, weekly chart. For the weekly chart, you see here, break below that picture 2 is retesting it there. Okay, we'll see beginning of the year, is it going to find resistance there or is it going to go back inside the channel? It's above the 361.8% level. Be aware of the breakout zone. If you are selling here, be gentle. All right, be gentle. All right. So that's what we see, okay, on the weekly chart. And you can connect the weekly chart to the 4-hour time frame. Okay, so you are zooming into it, so come on the any time frame, you can draw lines. You want to trade like a pole on the edge. All right, so see so this common set trend line on the 4-hour time frame, you break below and retest. This is the top for our forecast of the third wave. Professionals are selling it down. It is the start of the fourth wave of a high degree. But as the price did below that 361.8% level, now is going back above it. Will it continue to go up more? Look for trading setup on the edge and implement a different time frame trading method. Don't forget that the price is also near a resistance level in the zone of 17865. So this will conclude our discussion today, all right, about Fibonacci Extension trader explains his McDonald's stock Fibonacci strategy. If you have any question or suggestion, this is the time. Put in the comment section, and in due course, I will be recording another video to answer your specific question. All right. If this video has been truly useful to you, please let us know by giving us your beautiful thumbs up. If you dislike it, please mark it down. If you think this is an essential tutorial that can help other Fibonacci extension traders, feel free to share it with your friend on Google+, Twitter, Facebook, and Tumblr. All right, I really like traders that are sharing our tutorial, and I say to those traders, thank you very much. If you have not yet subscribed to our channel is Day Pro Traders YouTube channel. Subscribe today and be sure to click on the notification bell. As they say, ring the bell. So anytime we are about to live stream a pre-recorded video, you will be the first person to be notified. Sometimes I post video first on Facebook, sometimes first on YouTube. Our Facebook page is Stochastic-Market. Until the next time, enjoy yourself and be very happy. We are the GSTW24 traders talking about Fibonacci Extension trader explain his McDonald's stock Fibonacci strategy. In the next tutorial, I'll be talking about another Dow Jones Index leader. I will be talking about chart analysis related to one of those market leaders. As I said before, if you want to know more about Market Watch or how to use those market leaders more efficiently to make excellent trading decisions, go to www.dayprotrading.com, click on Market Watch, and gently read everything so you may digest it. Happy trading to you all. Happy New Year to you all, because today is the 1st of January 2019. Happy New Year to you all, and I will speak to you soon. Thank you for watching.